Hi everyone, we are the Group 3, and we are here to witness how the safety culture is maintained on board ships by conducting a toolbox meeting before operation on board.
Kapten Reynaldo. Chief Engineer Malanta. Chief Officer Kayat. 2. Andy Engineer Maguling.
So, good morning everyone. So, let's start our daily toolbox meeting. Today, we're focusing on safety practices on board because safety is our top priority. So, Chief Engineer, why don't you start with engine room safety?
Good morning, team. In the engine room, always wear your proper PPE, hard hats, gloves, and safety goggles. Never enter the engine room alone, especially when performing tasks. Slips and falls are common, so always watch your steps and report any spills immediately. Any suggestions about safety in the engine room?
Chief, what should we do if we notice unusual noises from machinery?
Good question, second. Report any unusual sounds to the duty engineer immediately. Do not attempt to fix it yourself unless you're qualified. Addressing early issues can prevent major problems later on.
So, excellent point, Chief Engineer. So, Chief Mate, anything you'd like to add regarding deck safety?
Yes, Captain. On the deck, be aware of your surroundings. Slip, trip, and hazards are common, especially when the deck is wet. Always wear non-slip boots and use safety harnesses when working at heights. And remember, never rush, even when you are on a tight schedule. Safety first.
Chiefmate, can you remind everyone about the communication protocols on deck?
Absolutely. Communication is key. Use the radio to keep in touch with other crew members, especially when visibility is poor or when working with heavy equipment. Signal clearly when moving or lifting objects.
So, great reminders, Chief Mate. So, now let's talk about emergency procedures. So, everyone should familiar with the location and use of emergency equipment such as fire extinguisher, lifeboat, and vest. And by the way, we have a drill later this week. So review your roles and responsibilities.
And ensure you know how to shut down the equipment safely in case of fire or flood. Quick and calm action can prevent a minor incident from becoming a major disaster.
If you're unsure about something, always ask. It's better to take a moment to clarify everything than to risk an accident.
So absolutely. So any last questions or comments before we wrap up?
Just a reminder to stay hydrated and take breaks as needed. Fatigue can lead to mistakes, and we want everyone to stay sharp and alert.
And keep an eye for each other. If you see something unsafe, speak up. We're all responsible for maintaining a safe working environment.
Well said, everyone. Thank you for your input. So let's stay safe and have a productive day. Meeting adjourned.
And the Paris girls, they sing my song with love. In the stadium is where I feel.
Kailangan kong makapunta sa mundo ng mga halimaw. Wala na akong makakalaban dito. Pull on,